Hey everybody, if you're going to VidCon and you're looking for a really nice hotel to stay in, this is the hotel I stayed in while I was in California, and it's really nice. Let's take a look.
California, yeah. California, California.
Well, bummer, it's time to go. Before I even get any further, that was my 5-second sort of make the bed look. That's not how they do it when you arrive. That was me. That's why it's sloppy. So, this was a pretty cool room. I can't believe it's time to go already. I mean, I'm not leaving yet. I'm actually going to be spending the day. I'm leaving until... my flight is until another 12 hours, but it's time to leave the room. This was a great room. This is an interesting configuration with the bed against the wall here. But, as I said before, it gives me lots of room over here. So, that was great. I'm not sure if that's a sleeper sofa, but there are... in here, pillows and stuff, or blankets at least. It's probably a pillow in there as well. And I have this out still because I use this not as a ironing board, but as an extra table. That works pretty well. And of course, there's a name for this. I forget what it is. Use this as a second display. That was helpful. And even use this little thing over here. Nice, it's got water all over it. So, this is a great room. And it's actually only, I think, I timed it as like almost exactly 3.5 minutes from the hotel to the convention center. So, that's pretty awesome. Especially when I had to run back really quickly. So this is what the hallways look like. Here is the little grab and go area. They have some, this is root beer. Nice. Some higher end stuff. Some alcohol. Some energy drinks, Mountain Dew, water. These Pure Leaf glass bottled iced teas are nice. They're expensive though. Microwave, nice. Altoids, there you go. Tide, interesting. Spoons, I didn't know they had spoons here. I could have grabbed one yesterday when I grabbed some. They were giving out free, I guess you saw, they were giving out cereal, and I bought some milk, but I forgot to grab a spoon. Haribo, nice. I know we could see the glare and all that, but these are the prices. Little hangout place, I guess it's a concierge desk, or at least a travel information desk. Never heard of VidWorld, but it's in Miami, so no. I'd like to take one of these, but I can't. This is the bistro. This is where I've been eating breakfast every morning. Hopefully it's competitively priced, because I haven't bothered, to be honest, to check. Here's some beverages. I don't know what the options are other than breakfast, because I've only ever been here for breakfast. Some things over here. Excuse me. This is the seating area. Oh yeah, I guess that was pretty obvious, because there's, I don't know, seats. Good job. A little outdoor area. And, well, hey, you know what? I've been staying here for several days. This is the first time going to the pool, if it's open. Even though my room was this one right here. So, here's a pool deck. And oh, look at that. It's got 2 hot tubs. Fancy. Actually, these chairs look really nice. But yeah, this is the first and only time I'll be on this pool deck, because I have a lot of better things to do than to hang out at the pool at the hotel. I can do that. I can do that at home for free. I mean, not like literally home. I don't have a house and a pool, but we're, in Orlando. There are plenty of pools there. Oh, I almost forgot, there is also this little sort of fire pit, which would be nice at night because it gets down in the 60s. And most of the people who are watching this like, oh, that must be nice. No, it isn't. I'd rather it be in the 80s, but oh well, I'm leaving. They also have these little booths where you can sit and watch some telly. Sorry about that. And they proudly serve Starbucks. I have my focus on manual. And of course, every single hotel I go into has this. Probably because I'm usually in Orlando. Oh, look at that. They even have guide maps. These are a different type of guide map, though. So, if you're not aware, there are the guide maps you can get in the park, and then the ones in the hotel. The ones in the hotel are different. I think they don't update as often. So, but it gives you all the relevant information. Because at least at Universal and probably Disney, they update the information in the guide maps more often with show times and stuff like that. So today I decided to go with the bagel, toasted cream cheese, of course, and I've been getting this chamomile tea. Chamomile is actually really good if you have anxiety issues, which I do. First day, I knew it was really hot, but I was like, okay, well, if I sip it, it will be okay. No, it wasn't. It burned my tongue. But, you know, glad that they're serving it hot because it's hot tea. That was my stupid fault for underestimating exactly how hot it was. But I've been getting the eggs your way platter with toast, and it's been very, very good. So I'm expecting this to be very good too. That is my mini review of the Anaheim Marriott Courtyard. Yeah, it's definitely a good value, good location. If I come back to VidCon, I'll look at prices, but I definitely would come back here. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Alright, just a really quick view of the room I'm staying in. I wanted this room because, well, this is going to be my studio.
You're having a ball and